Hi, my name is Brant Stogner. I'm from El Campo, Texas. I'm a partner at the law firm of Abraham Watkins, and I'm board certified in personal injury trial law. Today I'm going to talk to you about gas explosions and leak checks. In my practice, I've handled quite a few gas explosion cases, and what we're going to talk about today are those that happen out in the country involving an above ground propane storage tank. Natural gas and LP gas, liquid propane, two of the most combustible and dangerous substances that we allow and invite into our home. When there's a gas leak and there's a spark, the results are catastrophic and often fatal. Hopefully this short video will save lives and prevent one gas explosion in the future. So let's talk about the rules. Texas, like most states, has adopted the National Fire Protection Agency's code sections as law. What the law tells us in Texas is you must have a leak check if you're out of gas or if you've had an interruption of service. Okay, so let's talk about the first one. If you're out of gas, this is going to be a fairly easy situation for you to diagnose. Your tank is empty. Your appliances aren't working, at least the gas-fed appliances. When you call the gas company to come out and refill your tank, the law says they must conduct a leak check on your system prior to introducing any gas back into the system. That's the law. Don't let them fill up the tank without doing the test. The other scenario is when there's an interruption of service. Now, what does this mean? An interruption of service is most commonly seen where we have the main supply valve at the tank that supplies gas downline to the structure or home. When that main supply valve is turned off, that's an interruption of service. Before service is reinstituted and that valve is turned back on, you must have a leak check done on your whole LP gas system. That's the law. Now, where do we see this scenario? We see it most often in seasonal use homes, hunting cabins that only get used maybe for hunting season, inherited homes, or sold homes. Now, these homes may technically have gas in the tank, but if the valve is turned off, you cannot reinstitute the system without doing a leak check under the law. And what is a leak check? A leak check is not a complicated or lengthy process, nor is it an expensive one. The law in Texas tells us it shall be done by a qualified agency. That's your gas company. And your gas company should know how to do a leak check when one is required and have the proper equipment to do so. However, in my practice, we have seen it time and time again where the gas company comes out facing an out of gas scenario or an interruption of service scenario. They fail to do the leak check, they introduce gas, and in the days following there's a catastrophic explosion, often killing and seriously wounding people. Now, in those cases, we were able to recover significant compensation for those that were injured and the families that lost loved ones, but what we never were able to do is bring them back. Do not let the gas company skip this crucial step. If you or someone you know has been injured or killed due to a residential gas explosion, contact me immediately.